In the previous video, we covered key one-liners of World War One, and now we are going to dive into the important one-liners of World War Two. Some of you have DM'd me and commented on my videos to talk slowly, so from now on, I will try to not rush and talk clearly and steadily. Being an educator, it's my responsibility to facilitate you all. World War II started on 1st September 1939 with Germany's invasion of Poland. Britain and France declared war on Germany on 3rd September 1939. There were two major powers, Axis and Allied powers. Axis powers were Germany, Italy, and Japan. Allied powers included Britain, USA, USSR, and France. USA entered World War II after the attack on Pearl Harbor on 7 December 1941 by Japan. In 1941, Germany initiated an operation against USSR, and this operation was called Barbarossa. Battle of Stalingrad ensued between 1942 till 1943. It was a turning point in Europe because it halted Germany's advance to USSR. The Allied invasion of Normandy is known as D-Day, 6 June 1944. Allied forces landed in France to liberate Western Europe. Germany surrendered on 7th May 1945. USA dropped atomic bombs on Japan in Hiroshima and Nagasaki. Japan ultimately surrendered on 15 August 1945. World War II officially ended on 2nd September 1945. Another infamous fact about World War II is that 6 million Jews died in the Holocaust and around 70 to 85 million deaths worldwide. Another key fact about World War II is that it led to the emergence of Cold War between USA and USSR. Thank you for watching the entire video. These one-liners will definitely help you in your subsequent exams.